this video, I'm going to share a TikTok AI automation tool that can boost your TikTok or YouTube Shorts channel. I'm sharing this tool again because I've gotten awesome results from it. Most people hire video editors and scriptwriters to create engaging videos, but this can be expensive. Instead, you can use a tool called Shortmake AI. Shortmake is the ultimate game changer for your video content. Imagine turning simple ideas into captivating viral videos effortlessly. Shortmake automates everything: script writing, voiceovers, visual selection, subtitles, and editing, all perfectly tailored for YouTube Shorts and TikTok. So head over to the official Shortmake website using the link in this video's description. You can try this tool for free. If you check the prices, there's currently a 20% discount, making it more affordable compared to other products. Now let's create our first viral video. On the homepage, click the Start for Free button and log in with your Gmail account. After logging in, you'll be redirected to the main dashboard. Here, you can see my workspace filled with previously created projects. Later, you can edit these videos. Okay, now click on the Create Videos button. On the page, the first section is Idea. Here, you can paste your script or just an idea. You can use ChatGPT to generate a good idea for your video. For example, I just created a short story and asked ChatGPT to write similar ideas. Now, copy an idea and go back to Shortmake and paste it. Next is video length. You can choose auto mode, 30 seconds, or 60 seconds. I need a 60-second video for YouTube Shorts, so I'll choose the 60 seconds option. Next is the custom script style option. If you know your script, you can choose a story type like TikTok Shop, motivation, quick tips, or life hacks. Here, I'll use auto mode. Or you can clone any other viral TikTok video style. That's an epic option. Next, scroll down and select your language option. There are only 4 available languages, so I'll choose English. After that, click on the Generate Script button. In a few seconds, you'll get a viral script for your video. You can edit or regenerate it if you don't like it. After script writing, scroll down and choose background music for your video. You'll find lots of no copyright music here. Next is AI voices. If you're on a free account, you can test only 2 free voices. But on a premium account, you can use realistic voices. Play and choose according to your needs. After that, click on the Image Style button. Here you'll find lots of image styles like realistic, 3D model, artwork, anime, etc. I'm selecting realistic and closing this window. Now, click on the Generate Video button. Rendering can take 5 to 8 minutes, but all my videos are generated in 2 or 3 minutes. When rendering is done, you can play the video and check the style, captions, footages, etc. for more customization. To edit captions or fix any spelling mistakes, go to Captions and click on Edit Caption. Next, click on the Style button and choose an auto caption template. You'll find wonderful templates here. Just select any, and it will apply automatically. Next is the footage option, where you can regenerate images. Sometimes AI generates glitchy images, so you can fix them by recreating them or changing the image style as per your needs. Like here, you can see this double face image. Simply click on the Recreate button and wait. Next is the Video Overlay option. You can apply different overlays to test how your video looks better. Select according to your needs. The final option is Hooks. This option allows you to add a hook, activate it, upload your channel logo, and set its position. After doing all these changes if needed, finally click Export and download the video. Wait a few seconds and your video will download automatically. And here is the final demo.
Did you know about this heart-wrenching story? A poor boy, desperate to feed his starving mother, stole a loaf of bread from a shop. The police quickly arrested him. Despite his tearful pleas, the officer remained unmoved. The boy kept saying his mother was hungry, but no one listened. Constable Rahim, the officer in charge, decided to take the boy back home. What they found was tragic. The boy's mother had passed away. She had died of hunger. The boy's desperate act was his last attempt to save her. This story is a stark reminder of the harsh realities faced by many. It shows the lengths to which people will go to care for their loved ones. The boy's story touched many hearts and raised awareness about poverty and hunger. It's a powerful tale of love, desperation, and tragedy. It makes us question our actions and the society we live in. How can we help those in need? How can we prevent such tragedies? Stay tuned for more stories that touch the heart and make you think. Don't forget to subscribe for more real-life tales that inspire and move you.
As you can see in the demo video, everything is covered. Editing style, sound effects, animation, caption style, and script story style. Why waste your time and money hiring a team when you can do it all yourself? Just go to the description and grab this tool. It's efficient, user-friendly, and perfect for creating viral content. Plus, it saves you a lot of hassle and expenses. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon for more tips and tricks. Join our community and start creating amazing videos today.